In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress error after a PHP update step by step. If you recently updated your PHP version and your website is now showing a critical error, a blank white screen, or the dreaded "there has been a critical error on this website" message, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix it and get your site back up and running safely. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the fastest way to regain access to your website. If your site is completely down after the PHP update, the quickest solution is to revert to the previous PHP version. Log into your hosting provider's control panel, whether that's cpanel, Plesk, or a custom dashboard. Look for an option called Select PHP Version, PHP Manager, or something similar. Once you open it, you'll see a drop-down menu with different PHP versions. Simply choose the previous stable version your site was running on, for example, PHP 7.4 or 8.0, and apply the changes. After a few seconds, refresh your website. In many cases, your site will immediately come back online. This step restores access so you can properly diagnose the issue. Now that you have access again, the next step is to identify what caused the error. Most of the time, it's an outdated plugin or theme that isn't compatible with the newer PHP version. To find the exact cause, we need to enable WordPress debug mode. Access your website files using your hosting file manager or an FTP client like FileZilla. Navigate to the main WordPress directory and locate the file named wp-config.php. Right-click and edit this file. Inside, look for the line that says Define WP Debug False. Change it to True. If you don't see it, add the following lines above the comment that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging." Enable WP Debug and optionally WP Debug Log to capture errors. Save the file and refresh your website. You should now see a specific error message pointing to the plugin or theme causing the problem. Once you've identified the issue, the next step is to update everything. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Dashboard, then Updates. Make sure your WordPress core is updated to the latest version. Then update all plugins and themes. Developers regularly release updates to ensure compatibility with newer PHP versions, so simply updating can often resolve the issue completely. After updating, you can try switching back to the newer PHP version in your hosting panel to see if the error is gone. If updating doesn't fix the problem, you may need to deactivate or replace the incompatible plugin or theme. Go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard and deactivate the plugin mentioned in the debug error message. If you can't access the dashboard, you can rename the plugin folder inside the WP Content Plugins directory using your file manager or FTP. This automatically deactivates it. Once deactivated, check your site again. If the site loads correctly, you found the culprit. You can then look for an alternative plugin or contact the developer for support. After everything is working properly, don't forget to disable debug mode by setting WP Debug back to false. This prevents error messages from being shown publicly on your site. And that's it. You now know how to fix WordPress errors after a PHP update by reverting the PHP version, enabling debug mode, updating everything, and removing incompatible plugins or themes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.